Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a TikTok video. So if you want to post a TikTok video, you can basically just click on the plus icon at the bottom. But if you want to, let's say, use the music that you see on your FYP TikTok in here, for example, I'm going to use this song, the TikTok songs by Keisha. So what you need to do is just click on the songs in here, and there will be this song page. You can just click on use sound at the bottom, and then after that you can just start recording your video by clicking on this red button like this, for example, and just record your video. Then click on the red button again to stop. You can click on a check icon, and after that, here, if you're satisfied with the result, you can click on next. Then just write the captions in here. Then if you want to add hashtag, you can click on this hashtag button and then just find the hashtag that probably might be trending or might make your videos trending on TikTok. And after that, after you finish with the captions, hashtag or locations and everything, you can click on post. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.